Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands On Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Today, in Hands On Happy Hands art and craft video, is about creating a fantastic wall decoration. Also, it could be a welcome door greetings too. Isn't it a great idea? Yes, it will surely add sweetness this Christmas season. Enjoy the video. Let us make best out of waste. Merry Christmas, everyone! Christmas is a Christian festival celebrating the birth of Jesus every 25th of December. Christmas is an Old English word constructed from the combination of two words, namely Christ and Mass. Christ Mass refers to the annual commemoration of the birth of Jesus Christ. The spirit of Christmas causes people to decorate their homes and churches, putting Christmas trees, colorful lights, other Christmas ornaments, wrapping gifts, and preparing delicious food. Families are go together to the church to attend a Holy Mass. Families and friends are waiting for 12 midnight. They are making merry, giving gifts to one another, eating delicious meals, singing lovely songs, dancing with joy, spreading love and happiness, and greetings a Merry Christmas to their loved ones. It is also a time for us to listen to the story of the birth of baby Jesus and to reflect the beautiful message for us. Christmas is a time and a place of love, forgiveness, and compassion. Christmas is about spending time with family and friends. Christmas is the lifetime to touch every heart with love and care. Christmas is about creating happy memories that will last a lifetime. May your heart and home be filled with all of the joys the festive season brings. Merry Christmas to you and to your lovely family. God bless you all. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching.